Google has officially confirmed grand unveiling event for the Pixel 10 family on August 20th, suggests the Pixel 10 lineup, likely including the Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and 10 Pro Fold. This time, we're getting some leaked promo images showing the Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, Pixel Watch 4, and Pixel Buds 2a, all in the same moonstone colorway. It's look like its predecessor. Pixel 10 Pro XL come in obsidian, porcelain, moonstone, and jade color. This phone features a 6.8-inch display and is expected to resemble its predecessor, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. The leaked dimensions indicate only a 0.1 mm difference in height compared to the existing model. It will feature a Tensor G5 chip. This year we do expect to see the Pixel 10 series launch with Android 16. Pixel 10 Pro XL sport a 5200 mAh battery. A new feature called Pixel Sense, an on-device Google AI assistant. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.